the minimum size for a copper grounding conductor, grounding electrode conductor, in the Canadian Electrical Code, CEC, as adopted in Ontario's Ontario Electrical Safety Code, OESC, is number 6 AWG, or number 6 AWG copper.
This applies when Master Jong chooses copper material for the grounding conductor connecting the electrical system's grounded point, typically the neutral at the service equipment, to a grounding electrode, e.g., ground rods, plates, water pipe, or field-assembled electrode, assuming the current carrying conductors and grounded as service conductors meet code standards for ampacity and installation. Key CEC Rules, 2021-2024 editions, consistent in OESC, Rule 10-812, 1, and 2. Grounding conductor size for AC systems and service equipment. See Appendix B notes the grounding conductor connected to a grounding electrode, per Rule 10-700, shall be sized not smaller than number 6 AWG copper or number 4 AWG aluminum. 4 most common electrodes, e.g., manufactured rods or plates, field-assembled bare copper, or in-situ types like well casings. This is the minimum and often the maximum required size. The code states the conductor need not be larger than number 6 AWG copper for solidly grounded systems, as most ground fault current returns via the neutral or grounded conductor, not the electrode path. Exception: if connecting to a continuous metallic public water piping system or similar interconnected electrodes providing low impedance multiple paths, it may reference Table 17, ampacity-based, but number 6 CU remains the practical flaw in most building scenarios. No upsizing required based on server size. Unlike system bonding jumpers or equipment bonding conductors, size per Table 16 based on the largest and grounded conductor ampacity or overcurrent device rating, the grounding electrode conductor to the earth electrode is capped minimum at number 6 CU for typical installations. Even for large services, e.g., 400A, 800A, or higher, number 6 copper is sufficient and commonly used to the electrodes. Practical examples: Ontario Vaughan Common Practice, 100 to 200A residential or commercial service, e.g., #20CU service conductors grounding conductor to rods or water pipe equals #6 AWG copper, bare or insulated. 400A service, e.g., parallel 250 Cookmill CU still number 6 AWG copper to the electrode, though bonding jumper inside panel uses Table 16, e.g., number 3 CU. Larger services, e.g., 600 to 1200A #6 AWG copper remains the minimum and maximum needed. To ground rods or plates, no need to match Table 16 sizes. Important notes: the conductor must be copper or aluminum, Rule 10-112. Copper is preferred for direct burial or corrosive environments. It can be bare or insulated, Rule 10-116. Continuous, no splices, Rule 10-806, and protected from damage. 4 field-assembled electrodes, bare copper buried, size per Table 43, often number 6 minute, buried greater than or equal to 600 mm. Always verify terminations, approved clamps or lugs, and local ESA inspector requirements, e.g., Bulletin 10-17-8 for water pipe or meter base cases. This differs from bonding conductors, e.g., to enclosures, equipment, which use Table 16 and can be larger, e.g., number 3 or number 2 CU for bigger services.
Since the question specifies a ground conductor, grounding electrode conductor, made of copper, and the current carrying conductors meet code, number 6 AWG copper is the minimum Master Jang should choose. For precise application on the project, reference the latest OESC 2024 edition, or consult an ESA-approved designer, inspector in Vaughan.